This 2024 Winnebago Journey 34N is a Class A RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, oven, refrigerator, TV, stovetop burner, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, external shower, awning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2024 Winnebago Journey 34N is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.